G'day everyone and welcome to another episode of not really roaming in the Robbo. We're going to pop inside in a little bit. It's not going to be a very long episode. Miranda will give you the down low on what's going on with the kitchen renovations, a couple of little hold-ups. But for now, me and Camo are going to go and mow out a racetrack for the quad bike. He's just been going around and around the dam, and I thought we'd make it interesting. And we'll mow out a couple of hair-bins, a couple of S-bends, a couple of straights, maybe even use the culvert drain that lead into the dam as a couple of little jumps. What do you think, mate?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Uh-huh.
You keen for doing some jumps?
No.
No? Oh well, maybe the jumps are for me, eh?
No.
Yes.
No.
So what we're going to do, we're going to walk around first, come up with a good idea for a track, and then we'll mow it out and then start zipping around.
Okay.
Let's get into it. I reckon we come up from around the dam. Can we go around that first? Alright, I think we've come up with a pretty cool little track. Just going to go around one more time with Cam. He's just testing it out himself, just really slowly, and then we'll get the mower onto it. So he's having fun at the moment, zooming around. I can't get him to stop to get me on there so we can have another little lap together. Here he comes. Let's see if we can get him up. Alright. Hold it there, mate. Come back, stop. We're going to do one more lap, just you and me, to make sure we're happy with it, and then we'll mow it out, eh? Boy, that is dusty work, especially with the paddock being so dry. Hey Camo, come here. I need you to do me a favour.
Another one.
I need you to do me a favour, buddy. Okay, the track has been mowed out. I need you to get off the quad bike because it's my turn. Like being a kid again. Obstacles on the track. Well, that's enough of me acting like a 10-year-old zooming around on the quad bike. Although, how much fun is it, mate? You're having a glass of wine. So as I was saying in the intro, we've had a few hold-ups with the kitchen. The linchpin was the countertops, and that was the hold-up. But super stoked. We've got these kitchen tops in, and they look spectacular. Let me just show you what's going on here. Hey,
it's been resurrected.
We got the green countertop back just in time for Christmas, and we have no sink, but we've got beautiful brown cardboard bench tops here, and at least the coffee machine's there. Yeah.
I have to actually say the green looks quite nice with the white. I don't mind.
Let's have a...
We're going to put a little bit of tinsel around the edge and it'll be very festive.
Yeah, I mean, we got functional drawers, haven't we?
Yeah.
We got nothing in them and no covers on the front, but... Do you want to say anything?
Yeah, the wheels fell off a little bit here. But, I don't know. Yeah.
That's all good.
Yeah, we've made it work. At the end of the day, they're just countertops, and the most important thing will be having our family here, and having a good time. The oven will be functional by the time they get here, so we've got that. Our dishwasher is functional, so that's another bonus.
It's not been put in there properly. It's just been shoved in and everything connected. I did that myself. It's not level. It's not finalised, but we are washing dishes with it, which is far better than the
laundry sink.
Laundry sink or the dishwasher I married.
Yeah, so
just joking, ladies. Just joking. Yeah. So Christmas at the time of filming is 2 weeks away. 1 week by the time this video comes out. So whatever your religious affiliation or none thereof, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays.
Be safe.
Be safe.
Yeah. If you're out camping, enjoy. We're jealous. No, we're loving the property though, so we feel like we're on holidays at the moment.
Yeah, holidays. Working holidays.
But we'll be back into the travelling next year because, as we mentioned, there's some exciting things happening with the channel next year. So, yeah, I think we'll have a break and enjoy our family and our first Christmas in our new home.
Yeah, it's going to be amazing. And Jacqueline, where are you?
I'm over here.
Come here. What's today?
My birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. We have a big 9-year-old,
Yep.
So first birthday in the new house too. So
see ya.
But thank you for all your support over this year and the previous years. It's been fantastic. You know, like
really good.
I mean, we've really connected with some of you guys, and it's amazing. We even got a Christmas card from Claire and Neil again. Outback Confusion. Thank you. So it's really cool, and we've really enjoyed it. And I know
it's been a busy year. It's been a busy 3 months. And New Year's going to be super busy, but we will definitely be getting back to roaming in a Robbo.
Of some sort. Yeah. So the channel will start to look like it did at the beginning of the year in previous years, but you know.
Anyway, I'm going to go zoom around on the quad bike again.
Yeah, have a great...
ride?
No, thanks.
No, okay. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Happy New Year.
Have a great break, and we'll see you in the new year.
Righto, catch ya.
Loving the country life.